okay?
Okay.
Right.
See you later.
Love you, bye. Did you already take it?
Thank you, honey.
Oh yeah, it's
Wow.
53 degrees over here. All right, let's start in child's pose. Always a good place to land. Just notice any movement that's calling for you in this child's pose, or if it's stillness. Just let yourself be. And start to notice your breath and bring a deepening to the inhale. If an open mouth exhale would feel good, do that. If you're feeling up for Ujjayi Pranayama, please do. And start to pull the pit of the belly in and up towards the spine, just gentle. Breathe in and out. Ground your hips towards your heels. When you're ready, come up to a tabletop. You could just wag the tail side to side. You could do some cows and cats. Link up your breath. Inhale to one side or cow pose, and exhale either to the other side or cat pose. 2 more breath cycles. Start to get present to what your eyes are doing. What you see either internally with the eyes closed or externally with the eyes open. Reach the right hand up in the air, roll out the wrist. You could strum through the fingers like you're strumming a guitar. 1 more breath in. And thread the needle, exhale. 2 breaths here. Take your left hand wherever you would like it. Could stretch it to the front of your space or wrap around your low back. Take another breath in. And go a little deeper, exhale. Gently, slowly unwind. Reach the right hand back up in the air. And tabletop. Left hand high. Inhale, roll out the wrist. Strum through the fingers. 1 more breath in. Twist a little deeper open. And thread the needle, exhale. Pull belly button to spine and shift your hips towards the left. 2 more breaths. Inhale. And go a little deeper, exhale. 1 more inhale. Exhale. Down back to the open, left hand high into downward facing dog. Focus your eyes to one spot. Pedal through the knees if it would feel good. Check in with your hands. Press down through the base of the pointer fingers and thumbs, especially if you're on carpet. Ragdoll at the back of your space. Walk your hands back to your feet. Have your feet hip distance or maybe even mat distance apart. If a full forward fold is not feeling good in your body, you can rest your forearms on your thighs. Take another breath in here. Empty out. Roll up to extended mountain pose, big stretch overhead. Put your palms together, draw hands into heart center. Focus your eyes on the space where your middle fingertips connect, or close your eyes. Big breath in. Open mouth, exhale. Let's Om together 1 time. The sound of universal consciousness. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale, release your hands by your sides, lift the crown of the head up. Extended mountain pose, inhale. Take a gentle back bend, cactus the arms with a slight bend in the knees. Extended mountain pose, breathe in. Forward fold, breathe out. Flat back, inhale. High plank, exhale. Look out in front of your mat, option to lower the knees, inhale. Lower all the way down to your belly, exhale. Cobra pose, put to the shoelace part of your feet, lift your chest. Exhale, release forehead down. Do that 1 more time, cobra pose. If you want a little deeper into upward facing dog, release back down. Tabletop to downward facing dog. Take your right leg up in the air, bend the knee, roll the hip open, roll out the ankle, extend and bend the knee if that would feel good. One more breath in. Low lunge, breathe out, lower the back knee down to the mat. For a modified crescent lunge, reach the arms overhead. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale, take a vertical twist to the right, exhale. You're welcome to stay here, or if you want a deeper expression, you could hook the elbow across the thigh and lift the back knee for a full revolved crescent lunge. Take another breath in. Look a little further to the right, exhale. Crescent lunge, reach the arms overhead for one breath in. Cactus the arms, take a gentle back bend, exhale. Re-extend the arms, breathe in. And hands down to your mat, exhale. Either flow through chaturanga, or you can go straight to downward facing dog. Big breath in. Empty out. Left leg high, bend the knee, roll the hip open, roll out the ankle. Extend and bend the leg. Breathe. Step through low lunge, exhale. Lower the back knee to start, reach the arms overhead. Focus your eyes. Breathe in here. Twist to the left, exhale. Deep breath in. Stay or go deeper, breathe out. Pull your belly button towards your spine, breathe in. As you exhale, look a little further left. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Gentle back bend, exhale. Inhale, re-extend. Your vinyasa, exhale. Vinyasa could be cows and cats, could be the push-up. Could be straight to downward dog. Big breath in. Empty out. Lift your heels, look forward. Exhale, make your way to the front of your mat. Flat back, inhale. Hold, exhale. Extended mountain pose, breathe in. Hands to heart center, breathe out. Pick any balancing pose that would feel good in your body right now. For me, that's a quad stretch. Start with the right foot back. Could take tree or figure four, or eagle. Take 2 more breaths here. In and out. Get present to what your eyes are seeing. And gently pull the belly button to spine. Move through a mountain pose on an inhale. Into the other side, exhale. Your right leg is straight, put a little bend in the knee. Your muscles activate around the knee joint. See one spot out in front of you. Take another breath in. Deep breath out. Extended mountain pose, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Flat back, inhale. Vinyasa, exhale. Any variation of a flow. Move and breathe on purpose. Right foot forward, crescent lunge, one more time. This time lift the back knee up and open to warrior 2. Reverse warrior, breathe in. Triangle pose, straighten the right leg. Reach the right hand down and look to the left. Little bend in your knees, everyone lift and spread your toes. Press down through the base of the big toes and the center of the heels as you see and breathe. One more breath in. Go your deepest, breathe out. Rise up to star pose for one inhale and flow. Exhale, chaturanga, tabletop cows and cats. Inhale, focus your eyes. Downward dog when you're ready. Left foot forward, crescent lunge, just for the breath in. Warrior 2, breathe out. Reverse warrior, breathe in. Triangle pose, exhale. Lift and spread your toes. Look to the right. Pull the belly button in and up. Take one more breath in. Go your deepest. Breathe out. Start pose for the inhale. And flow. Exhale, vinyasa. Inhale on purpose. Exhale on purpose. Lift your heels, look forward. Step or jump your feet forward and come down onto your back for bridge pose. Plant your feet, lift your hips up in the air. Be gentle to start. Hug the knees in towards midline. Tuck the tailbone up towards the ceiling. We'll take 3 more breaths here. If you're feeling funky and want to go for wheel prep or wheel pose, take 2 more breaths in. Focus your eyes, breathe out. 1 more breath. Go a little deeper. Slowly come down. Knock your knees in towards each other for a moment. Bring one hand to heart, one hand to belly. Deep inhale. Audible exhale. Give your knees a squeeze into your chest. And do 10 yogi bicycle sit-ups. Just a little bit of core activation. You're welcome to extend one leg in opposition or keep the knees at center. And go from one side to the other. 5, 6, breathe, 7, see 8, 1 more each side. Release. Supine figure 4, bring the right ankle across the left thigh. Just a couple of breaths to breathe. Awareness into the right hip. If you want to close your eyes and look towards the middle of your forehead, take 2 more breaths here. No need to think about or dialogue with yourself about how the pose feels. Just be with it as you breathe. Switch sides. Supine figure 4, left ankle across the right thigh. Put your attention on your inhales and exhales. Where you create space in the hip. Single leg extension, right leg up. Option to have the left knee bent or straight. Take another inhale. Gentle stretch in the hamstring. 1 more breath in. Empty out. Switch sides. Left leg up. Again, be intentional with the eyes. Could be open or closed. See if you can slow your breath down. See if you can relax amidst the stretch. One more breath. And send your feet up in the air for about 30 seconds. You could take waterfall pose, shoulder stand, headstand. If you don't have a block, you can just put your hands underneath your tailbone. Just create a little bit of elevation. You can flex and point your feet. Big breath in. Audible breath out. 1 more breath cycle. If you want to stay with your feet up in the air, you're welcome to. Otherwise, come down into a supine twist with one or both knees to the right for one breath in. Gentle twist it out. Exhale. Switch sides. Breathe in. Keep the breath moving as you move into the twist. Last breath in. Empty out. Come back to center. Set up for final relaxation. Could be on your back in Shavasana, or if you would like to make your way up to a seat. Hopefully, I'm going to guide you through a little meditation while you rest in Shavasana. Get present to how your body is in space. See if you can create some softening. If it feels okay to let your eyes be closed, please do. Take a big breath in through the nose. Open mouth, clear it out. Do that one more time, in through the nose. Open mouth, clear it out. If it feels good to do that breathing pattern, keep it going. Otherwise, come back to your normal, natural breathing. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling physically. Without adding any extra story, just notice. Right now, physically, I feel fill in the blank. If it helps to offer, it makes sense that I feel, however it is that you're feeling, please give yourself that grace. Check in with yourself mentally, emotionally. Right now, I'm feeling, fill in the blank for how you're feeling mentally and emotionally. And give yourself the grace that it probably makes sense that you feel however it is you're feeling, either based on the day you've had or the life you've had. And now fill in the blank. I'm open to the possibility of. I'm open to the possibility of. I'm not saying that the thing has to happen. Wouldn't it be cool if that thing happens? Open to the possibility of. If you're laying on your back, roll over to either side into a fetal position. And gently make your way up to a seated position, sitting in any way that feels comfortable. And when you're ready, bring your palms to touch each other at the center of your chest, Anjali Mudra. Let your thumbs rest against your sternum. And we'll Om together, roll through the sounds Ah, O, Um, one time, in through the nose. Clearing breath out. And inhale for Om. Ah. Bring your thumbs to the middle of your forehead. May all beings everywhere be blessed with happiness and freedom. May the thoughts, words, and actions of our own lives contribute to that happiness and freedom for all. We bow forward in gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today. Thank you.